The Pixel Buds Pro are Google's latest pair of wireless earbuds. The company's fourth attempt in this product category is the most expensive and feature-rich one so far. While the initial models got a mixed reception, the company has gotten steadily better at it with each iteration. The Pixel Buds Pro will undoubtedly be the best one so far. The question is Google best good enough in the current competitive market, especially at the $200 asking price? Time to find out. The Pixel Buds Pro design is an evolution of the 2020 Pixel Buds and 2021 Pixel Buds A series designs, both of which had identical snail-shaped buds. The Pixel Buds Pro used the hooks for securing the in place. The shape of the earbuds is now more bulbous and less elegant. Likely to house the extra bits of hardware needed to enable the ANC features, it does not look all that different, however, when it's inside your ears. Like the Pixel Buds 2020 and the A series, the Pixel Buds Pro only feature color on the circular part facing outside. You can choose from coral, fog, charcoal and lemongrass. The rest of the earbuds remain black. The outside of the earbud has lots of little grills and ports. There are two grills for the microphone and a port on the bottom for venting the driver. On the back side are the contacts for the charging case. Hidden below is the optical sensor for in-ear detection. The charging case is finished in matte white plastic regardless of the color of the earbuds. The outer surface has a wonderfully smooth texture that almost feels like ceramic. Inside the case has a matte black finish again with a really nice texture. The edges of the lid are perfectly polished and the hinge has very little play. The lid also stays in place when open and doesn't threaten to snap shut while you are trying to pull the earbuds out. The overall build quality and feel of the case are top-notch. Little details like the reassuring heft, the solid thunk of the lid opening and closing, and soft glow of the white status LED through the plastic on the front convey that a lot of thought went to designing the case. Even thought it looks similar to many other models on the market. Having tested most of these, I can say very few look and feel as good in the hand. The Earbuds Build is nothing special. In fact, I was quite disappointed by how easy it is for them to look dirty after being in contact with skin oils, which for a product designed to sit inside your ears isn't very well thought out. The charcoal model also makes this rather easy to notice, when they are also annoyingly difficult to pull out of the case, and the small rounded design makes them fiddly to place inside your ears, especially with sausage fingers. The good thing is that both the earbuds and the case have some level of water resistance. The earbuds are IPX4 rated while the case is IPX2. Neither will survive being dipped in water, but minor splashes, rain or sweat should pose no problems. The Pixel Buds Pro are priced at $199. For that price, they are competing against the Sony WF-1000XM4 and the newly launched Samsung Galaxy Buds 2 Pro. Both of those cost a bit more at $230, but both also have previous generation models that cost significantly less these days and have a similar feature set. The Pixel Buds Pro have a few things going for them. I liked how well the case is designed and built. The audio quality is good enough for the average users and on par with the best that is available among wireless earbuds, and the battery life is excellent. On the other hand, the active noise cancelling and transparency mode performance is above average at best. The microphone quality is also nothing to call home about. The earbud design is a bit fiddly and hard to get out of the case and place inside your ears. But by far the worst thing about the Pixel Buds Pro is the current state of the software, which presents a variety of problems on a daily basis, and the longer I use them, the more issues seem to crop up. Coming from a software giant, this is inexcusable. The good thing is that many of the issues can be fixed through software updates while also improving performance along the way. But until that happens, I would recommend going with the WF-1000XM4 or even the older Samsung Galaxy Buds Pro, which are heavily discounted these days.